Hello world, hello students, math geniuses, Dr. K here. So I just wanted to show you, these are the cheap, inexpensive Rubik's Cubes that we just use for mosaics. They're not really good for turning. I buy them in bulk, and these are some of the ones that broke. And all I'm doing is really, I have a little factory here, production, sitting watching a TV show, but really just doing this very easily, building them together. It doesn't take long, they're very easy. So I'm glad that we saved all these. See, these are the edges. So the edges have two stickers or two colors. These are the corners, and then we just build them. And once we build them, it's a fully functioning Rubik's Cube. Again, not good for turning, this is the cheapest Rubik's Cube you could buy, really. I buy them in bulk, just by the hundreds, just to kind of build by the dozens, really. But we have hundreds of them, almost thousands, almost over 1,000, but we use them just for mosaics. The only issue is Yeti is not helping. Look at that. Yeti is just asleep, hugging his buffalo toy, right? That, and he's fast asleep. If he was here helping, it would be much faster, of course, but it's okay. This is fun. Doesn't take long. And then we'll be building mosaics very soon. We'll tear the ones that we have, and we'll be building more mosaics, and we'll get to vote. Maybe we do a falcon this year for like our mascot. Okay, that's it. Bye. Love.